Thank you for inviting me to eat. It's my treat this time. Please let me pay the bill. You can treat me like time we eat. It has been my dream to meet you. I really enjoy this meal. I really enjoy speaking with you. Thank you for the time we should meet every week and eat dinner together. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the differences between English and Vietnamese. English is very different from Vietnamese. The sounds are different, the grammar is different, and the writing is totally different. It's very difficult to speak English well. If you want to speak English well, you must forget about the differences. Just practice correct sentences until you teach them. The more sentences you can put out, the better you can express yourself. If you believe in yourself, practice crazily every day. You can make it. You will conquer English. Vietnamese is the most difficult language in the world. If you can speak Vietnamese, you can speak English. Many people tell me that it's very hard to remember new words. They complain that no matter how they try to memorize new words, they always forget them. The best way to remember new words is to practice them every day. Practice them in sentences and proverbs. Listen to tapes and read along every day. Otherwise, you can forget easily. If you need my help, please call me. We're friends, we're each other. Let's conquer the world together. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about families. I have very happy families. My dad is a great man. He has a fantastic job. My mom is a wonderful woman. She has many outstanding talents. My family loves me. My family supports me in good times and bad times. They help me form many good habits. My mom and dad always tell me, if I want to succeed, I need to have good habits. We practice speaking English together every morning. We have dinner together every night. We talk about our problems. We share our joys. We say we exercise together. We relax together. The atmosphere in my family is fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, people often ask me how I learned to speak such wonderful English. They want me to sum up the secrets of my success. But studying the secrets of my success is not really enough to have you succeed. If you really want to succeed, you must love English. You must love English so much that you practice every single day, month after month. You must never be satisfied that your English is good enough. You must detach on yourself and keep striving for improvement. Real success um, is speaking English doesn't depend on luck or how much money you spend on books or courses. Real success depends on wanting something badly in life and working hard to get it. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, um, ladies and gentlemen, uh, more and more foreigners are coming to Vietnam. More and more people around the world are starting to learn Vietnamese. More and more Vietnamese are starting to do business and travel around the world. The world is becoming more and more important in Vietnam. If we want to ensure a great future for Vietnam, we must practice mission harder than ever before. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe you all want to speak good English. Now, let me give you some advice. Don't be afraid of losing face. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of practicing your English. Don't be ashamed of speaking poor English. Don't be ashamed of being laughed at. Don't be ashamed of being stared at. The only real shame is that you never opened your mouth. The only way to know is to never be afraid and never be ashamed. It's never too late to make a change in your life. Don't be afraid, no pain, no gain, you can get your it. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk about how to pronounce English word correctly. First, spell the word aloud. Then, read the word aloud according to the depths. Carefully imitate each other. Then shout out the words as loudly as possible. Lastly, fake a sentence to these words. Think about what's the good mean in the sentence. If you follow this step, you will soon be proud of how well you can pronounce English word. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to speak English well. Today, I am going to talk about the secrets of my successful English. If you want to speak good English, there are simple things you must do. You must keep on practicing. You must keep on making mistakes. You must keep on working hard. And you must keep on losing face. You know to speak is by speaking. So, the most important key to speaking English well is speaking. Speak as loudly as possible. Speak as clearly as possible. And speak as quickly as possible. The more you speak, the better your English will be. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. These are the secrets of my speaking good English. Everyone can make it. Everyone can be an English speaking genius. Thanks for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to have you learn some of the more common greeting in English. Of course, there's a basic hello. There are so many questions such as how are you? How are you doing? How's everything? How's it going? All of these greetings are informal and very common in American English. In British, you see the more very common to hear how do you do? If you are confused by um, all of these reading are informal, all of this reading information, don't worry. You can always just say hi, let me smile and a confident hi. We will find anywhere to go. Don't worry. You can always just say, don't worry. Just open your mouth and practice. You can smart English, have fun. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about learning English. There are many ways to learn English. You can learn English through singing. You can learn English through reading. You can learn English through listening. And you can learn English through writing. But the best way to learn English is through speaking and reciting as many sentences as possible. The more sentences you can put out, the better English you will speak. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to share a few tips for learning English with you. First, try to speak English as much as possible. This will train the tongue muscle. Second, trust your ability. Don't be afraid to speak. Don't be trapped by silence. Third, don't let by grammar trouble you. Don't be trapped by grammar rules. The more sentences you speak, the more natural the grammar will become. Actually, the truth is the energy is learning English. You must try to get to practice. Remember, or to claim the changes. Thanks for the kind attention. I hope you will try to finish from today.